In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a white background in Photoshop. To get started, open your image and look at the Layers panel. If your image is locked as a background layer, the first thing you need to do is unlock it. This allows you to make edits directly to the image instead of being restricted by the default background settings. Usually, you can do this by clicking the lock icon on the layer. Next, go over to the toolbar and select the Background Eraser tool. This tool is especially useful when you want to remove a solid white background while keeping the subject in place. Once you have it selected, look at the settings along the top and make sure the sampling option is set to once. This helps Photoshop sample the color one time, which gives you more control as you erase. After that, set the limits option to discontiguous. This tells Photoshop to erase matching background areas even if they are not connected, which can be very helpful around detailed edges. Then change the tolerance to 85%. A higher tolerance makes the tool more aggressive when removing similar shades of white, so it works well for bright, clean backgrounds. Now open the brush preset picker and adjust your brush size to somewhere around 250 to 280. A larger brush can help you work faster, especially if the background area is wide and open. Once everything is set, simply click and drag your mouse over the white background to erase it. As you work, try to keep the crosshair of the brush over the white area as much as possible to avoid affecting your subject. And that's it. Your white background should be removed cleanly and quickly.